Trying to download Ome TV in 2026, but it's not showing up in the Play Store? Let me show you the safe way to get it from up to down. And before we start, make sure to subscribe for more clean and simple tech fixes from Mr. TECHFOX. Open your browser and search for up-to-down Ome TV. Open the official up-to-down page, then tap Get the latest version. Next, tap All variants. Choose the version you want. I recommend the first one. Tap it, then hit Download anyway. When the APK finishes downloading and you try to install it, Chrome will block it. Tap Settings on the pop-up and turn on Allow from this source so Chrome can install unknown apps. Go back, tap the APK again, hit Install, and wait a few seconds. And that's it. Ome TV is now installed on your Android phone, even in 2026.